our Ilocano Igado. It's so simple and easy. Here you go, guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today's recipe is we are going to cook a Ilocano Igado. Of course, guys, first we're going to marinate our Igado. So our ingredients, guys, is our pork and of course our liver, and of course, guys, we need peppercorn, and of course, guys, our soy sauce, this one, and of course, guys, ang ating sukang Ilocos. And this one is the Sprite one. This one. Alright, guys, first is we are going to put some sukang Ilocos. Here. 1 tablespoon, guys. Oh! Here you go. And 1 tablespoon here. And 1 tablespoon here. And 1/2 teaspoon for our Silver Swan soy sauce. Here. And the last one is our liver. And of course, guys, yung Sprite natin. And this one. The reason why we put the Sprite, guys, because we need our meat to be tender. And then, guys, we're going to mix them with our gloves. Here. Here you go, guys. And then after that, guys, I'm going to transfer them. So this is our Ilocano Igado. So I'll be right back. I'm going to put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And after that, we are going to cook them now, guys. Alright, guys, see you later. So guys, this is our vegetables ingredients for our Ilocano Igado. Of course, guys, we need green pepper, red pepper, and of course onion, and laurel, and carrots, and of course our garlic. And guys, this one I got it from Philippine store. So in Ilocos, this is what we use if every time we cook igado. And of course, guys, we need some cooking oil, and we still have the sukang Ilocos, and of course Silver Swan soy sauce. Alright, guys, so it's been 30 minutes and let's start cooking our igado. So medium heat, and of course, guys, I'm going to put some oil. I'm using canola oil. So about 1 tablespoon. Guys, I'm going to put our garlic. guys, next is our meat. So guys, high heat po siya, tapos we gonna mix them. Next guys is our our liver. So I'm going to add our liver now. Here. Oh. So guys, so let's wait. Alright guys, so I'll be right back. So guys, here I'm going to put a Laurel and I'm gonna mix it guys. Alright guys, so let's wait for another 2 minutes, and after that we're going to put our soy sauce. So guys, here I'm going to put some soy sauce. And let's give a good mix guys. Alright guys, so let's wait until all the water here are reduced. So guys, this is our update for our igado. So you can see most of the water are now reduced. So let's just give a good stir. So guys, this is how we cook igado in Ilocos. Especially our pinakbet or igado, we just put them all together and then we will wait until everything are cooked. Simple and easy. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Hello guys, so now it's time to add our carrots. So let's add one by one. Let's give a mix. I'm sorry guys, there's a construction close by, so it's kind of So guys, next is I'm going to put some salt. I know guys, I already put a lot of soy sauce, but the salt it will neutralize our ingredients, I mean our taste. So very igado. And next guys is I'm going to add our bell pepper. So guys, let's put in a medium heat. Next guys is our bell pepper. So let me just put them slowly. Next is our red bell pepper. let's mix them, guys. Alright guys, so let's wait again until our bell pepper and red bell pepper are cooked. Alright guys, so I'll be right back. Here guys, so this is optional for your... So guys, if you wanna have a good color for your igado, we're gonna add some mamacita, the aswete one. So this one guys is just for coloring. So let's add some. And mix. Okay, so this is our update for our igado. So guys, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, this one. Because guys, we're not using betchin. So the sugar will have the umami. So there you go. So we're gonna use this sugar as our umami. And lastly guys is... Last ingredients guys is this one. So guys, let's try to taste. I already taste it, but let's see. There you go. I have liver and pork. It's so yummy guys. I love it. It's my favorite guys, igado. This is our finished product of our igado. Our igado. So guys, let me just do the plating and I'll be right back. So guys, let's do the plating. Guys, this is our finished product of our igado. So I still have left here. And there you have it guys. So this is it. Our Ilocos Igado. It's so simple and easy. Here you go guys. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and please don't forget to share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye!